बेहद की परम शांति. Welcome to our channel Bapuji Desrat by Patel. Bapuji is explaining how does the Earth's atmosphere changes. Infinite supreme peace to infinite children. In our atmosphere, there is only 0.00001% of a particle of supreme air. Means there is not even a millionth part of a particle of supreme air in our atmosphere. Then how much you may refine this atmosphere, you just find a single particle of supreme air element. If you refine supreme air element further, you can bring forth supreme fire element. How much energy is there in a particle of supreme air? People used to say that power is radiating from the universe. It is nothing but a particle of supreme air in the atmosphere. In above dimension, there is supreme ether element. Up to Brahmapuri, there is only simple ether element. Simple air and simple fire will generate from simple ether element. But to get a particle of supreme air, supreme ether is necessary. Like if you move on to higher dimension, that is to Vishnupuri, there you can find supreme ether element. While this solar system was revolving, from this supreme ether element which is in Vishnupuri, a very little amount of supreme air particles are producing and spreading down slowly to Brahmapuri, from there to 7 dimensions, and slowly falling down on this earth. Means there is not even a millionth part of supreme air particle in this simple air element. If we got at least one particle of supreme air, in that there is a lot of supreme power. Means it's not the power of a single sun. There is power of crores of suns in this one particle of supreme air. Because in supreme air particle, there are so many supreme fire particles. From supreme air particle, a little amount of supreme fire particles releases from this supreme fire element, simple fire element releasing into the atmosphere and running this atmosphere. If this doesn't happen, everything will comes to an end. If from above dimensions, like from supra-causal world, that is from Shivpuri, and from causal world, that is from Vishnupuri, and from supreme abode, if power doesn't leaks, or if supreme air didn't come from supreme ether, then everything will stops. From supreme ether, so many supreme air particles are generating and converting gradually to supreme fire element and running this atmosphere. As the people says that cosmic power is coming from above. When very powerful soul is in a stage of incorporeal, in supreme light form, as if your aura is with supreme air element, then your aura pulls supreme air particles from atmosphere. If a soul is very powerful and connected with Almighty and had a very small extent of high quality of infinite celestial supreme light power, or even at least 1 point of power is there in your soul, then it enlightens your soul. When supreme light came into your soul, that supreme light comes into your aura and it spreads all around while doing affirmations of Param Shanti. Along with supreme peace vibration, supreme light spreads. Then supreme air, supreme fire, supreme ether particles comes into this complete atmosphere. From supreme light, supreme supra element generates, and from supreme supra element, supreme ether, supreme fire and supreme air will generates. Then simple air converts to supreme air, simple fire converts to supreme fire element, and simple ether converts to supreme ether element. Then everyone feels supreme peace. In other multiverse, there is no negative vibrations like this. There, the atmosphere has 10 celestial supreme light. There you can find very high quality of supreme light, supreme supra element and supreme ether. There is a very little bit of supreme air and supreme fire elements. That means there supreme air and supreme fire together is only 30% of atmosphere. There is 10 celestial supreme happiness and supreme peace in that atmosphere. There is no negativity, not even negative thought. That atmosphere was filled with supreme peace and supreme light. Negative thought doesn't run at all. Everyone gives supreme happiness and supreme peace to each other. This multiverse also will change us like that, like timeless world. If there is a day and night, time will be there. In gross and subtle world up to Brahmapuri, there is day and night. For solar system, there is a time span like Brahma's 100 years. In galaxies and universes also, there is a limit of time. Only infinite souls, after doing a lot of penance, can understand these things. This is not for ordinary souls. That's why in our atmosphere, there is nothing like supreme air. We can't even think about supreme either. For example, in 1000 square kilometers air, you can find hardly one particle of supreme air. From this supreme air, a little bit of supreme fire is spreading over. This supreme fire particle is running simple air and simple fire elements. These are all very deep topics. In these supreme particles like supreme air and supreme fire also, a lack of power is there. There is a lack of quality. Even though this supreme air and supreme fire is keeping all alive and running this atmosphere. Devotees say that we are getting power from universe. We are pulling it from atmosphere. But there is no capacity in souls to pull down that power. One should have to enlighten one's own power of soul. In infinite children, there is infinite celestial power. Soul has to awake its own power. When compared to infinite celestial power, this sun's power is nothing. Infinite celestial souls can create infinite celestial universe. That much power they had. I am searching for those souls. Param Shanti.